First alert on the alert works.
The National Weather Service in Pocatello has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Caribou County in southeastern Idaho, northern Franklin County in southeastern Idaho, northwestern Bear Lake County in southeastern Idaho until 3:30 p.m.
Don't know if you can see that.
time. At 3 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles northeast of Thatcher, Oregon, 11 miles south of Silver Springs, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, ping pong ball size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Locations impacted include Georgetown, Bern, Georgetown Summit, Niter, Liberty, and Emigrant Summit. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following counties in Idaho: